Hey guys, I am back again with another video, and well, y'all, I've been really bad, but a lot's been going on, and I kind of failed Vlogmas, and it was like 100% not even my fault. Like, so I had some like health issues over the break, and that whole week I was just in bed. I had a sinus infection, like, yeah, it just wasn't it. But I am back and I'm better, of course. But my whole Christmas giveaway that was supposed to be a giveaway for Christmas is kind of like a New Year's giveaway now. And well, yeah, it's just about to be a New Year's giveaway, even though it's not New Year's anymore. Today's January 9th actually, and y'all probably won't see this video until January 10th or 11th, or nah, I'm playing with y'all. But yeah, I'm just back, y'all. I am back. I'm back. I'm gonna try to make videos like every week. I'm gonna try, but this year is definitely gonna kick my butt, and I'm not ready for it, but I kind of have to be because I kind of ain't got no choice. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my jacket because my sister did something for me that was like super amazing, and I honestly don't know, like, I didn't know how to feel. Like, y'all, I was crying. Okay, I was seriously crying. I was crying, and I'm just like, y'all, like, my sister's freaking amazing. So she got me a hoodie, and it has my YouTube channel art on it. Like, it's a I can't even tell if I can see it or not, but it has my YouTube channel art, ShallayBeNatural, with the whole afro, and y'all, and on the back it says subscribe, like, and share, and hashtag ShallayBeNatural on it. And I kind of don't want to stand up to show y'all, so I'm gonna like insert some pictures and y'all can see it that way. But y'all, that really made me cry, because I'm like, yo, like, at least like someone supports me, you know what I mean? And so that was like one of those big things that kind of happened when the year started, and y'all, I didn't know how to feel. I was really crying, like really crying. But I'm about to get into this giveaway, and like I said before, if I said it at all anyways, it's gonna be a LUS brand giveaway. So I'll be giving away the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in for pretty much type 4 hair. So I guess if you got that hair pattern, then this giveaway is definitely for you. So here it goes. Alright, y'all, so I have the products right here, and this is the shampoo, this is the leave-in, and this is the conditioner right here, right? So y'all, these products are like freaking amazing. They smell really good. Mind you, this video is not sponsored, so this was all me. So I came by this company, like, they hit me up on my Instagram account, and that's Nala. So yeah, y'all already know, it's all gonna be in the description box. But yeah, they hit me up and they just wanted me to do a video for them and try out their products. So all they sent me was the leave-in conditioner, and I bought the shampoo and the conditioner myself, and that was pretty much it. Like, I really liked it. I had like the super bomb wash and go with it. Like, it was just freaking amazing. And so the conditioner has a lot of slip, it's silicone free, and it's for all curl types. But the leave-in is for kinky coily hair, which is what I was saying when I said this is meant for pretty much type 4 hair. And so I'm gonna be giving away a set. See, I got my own set up there. Actually, I think that one's the giveaway one, but these are the ones that I've used. So I'll be giving away the giveaway ones up there on the shelf. And all you gotta do is honestly like this video and probably like comment down below like what your New Year's resolution is, or even if you don't have one, just like let me know why you should win, you know. I didn't want it to be like an easy giveaway because of course there's only like one set of conditioner and shampoo and leave-in conditioner, but y'all, it's whatever. I'm just gonna make it easy for y'all. Just like the video, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Well, you have to be subscribed anyways to enter the giveaway, so I'll be checking. But yeah, anyways, I'm not gonna prolong this video like any longer. Like, I will put out a video to say who won, and that'll be pretty much it for my New Year's giveaway. And I want to thank you guys for helping me reach 200 subscribers, and beyond that, like, honestly, my biggest goal was to reach 200 subscribers by the end of 2018, and I did that, and I'm so freaking happy, and I love you guys so much.